Hi, this is DThomas. I'm with BISH'S RV in Junction City, Oregon. And today I'd like to show you this beautiful 2013. It's a Newmar Baystar. Everybody's always asking me for the smaller motorhomes, low mileage. And I found one. Here it is, 27 feet of Newmar with low mileage. So let's go check it out. Please, if you enjoy this video, like and subscribe. First, you'll notice how amazing all the leather is in here. It's so soft and in such beautiful condition. We'll go ahead and start this puppy up. Wow, it only has 7,417 miles on it. Thing's barely broken. Well, it's all ready for you to break it in. 27 feet of Newmar. Let's take a look. First, this leather couch folds completely out into a queen bed. Also, there's a dinette. One of the really important things I found here, you won't find often, is so many seat belts. So there's seat belts on the couch and seat belts in the dinette so that your people can ride safely and legally in this unit that can easily fit in every spot in all of the parks. Has a really nice convenient kitchen with a stove and oven. Has a nice sized refrigerator. Come on back. Full-size bathroom, of course, porcelain toilet, everything upgraded. Really nice. Everything is in such great condition here. The bed lifts up for more storage. Lovely queen size bed. Got a TV in here, everything you need. So with this big window, laying there watching the shoreline, enjoying your time at the parks this summer, and very affordable. We have so many right now that are way under $100,000. They're in great condition, and I'd love to show them to you. So give me a call. My name is DThomas. I'm at BISH'S in Junction City, Oregon, and my phone number is 541-221-6345. Thank you.